farming is now changing. It's changing into a smart farming environment. Technology is infiltrating every aspect of agriculture, large equipment, the farms. As that happens, more and more data is produced. You need a partner who understands that data, use their algorithms, and produce actionable insights. The Global Social Innovation Business is a great organization inside of Hitachi that really looks at how we do things differently and for the social good. Our approach helps farmers and protein processors stay consistent all the way from the time something is growing as a seed until it makes it to your grocery shelf. COVID really had an impact on our supply chain, on the logistics, on the shipping, on everything. We need to make sure that those things that we're eating, those things that are making it to our dining room tables, are getting there. One of our specialties is looking at how all of the data sets and all the data that's produced in the various silos come together. We at this Global Social Innovation Business do that by participating with the farmers, with agriculturists, and with the protein processors to make sure that that entire circular economy is working together in a harmonious and efficient way. We work with each element of that value chain in order to make sure that there is high productivity, low cost, and increased revenues in each section. We go through step by step and make sure that everybody is in the same direction, powering good.